Hello, my name is Blake Flatley with 1517 Music, and today I want to share with you a little bit about our recording of the hymn Abide With Me. I love this hymn for many reasons, but one of the main reasons is that it shows us that God is our source of hope and that He is there with us in the low times as well as the high times, even at the moment of death. And often we can sort of equate these mountaintop experiences as being close to God, but this teaches us a biblical truth that it's actually otherwise. God is with us not just at the mountaintop, but also with us at those low points and in everyday life. Let me show you a little bit about how we play it in our recording. You can see I've got a capo in here. I've flipped it over and I've left the low E string open. So it creates a sort of drone note, emulating that sort of drop D without retuning the guitar. And then I'm using some C chord voicings as we play the song, and of course still keeping it in E. So here's how we play it. Abide with me, fast falls the eventide. The darkness deepens, Lord, with me abide. When other helpers fail and comforts flee, help of the helpless, so abide with me. Hopefully that gets you started, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you want more resources, you can find them at 1517.org/music. Thanks.